So in this article, their discussion section focuses on the interpretation of their results, and they also include here the limitations section. Now, these last couple of sections, discussion or conclusion, and where the limitations go, that can depend on the journal. And sometimes they're mixed together, sometimes they're separate, sometimes what's labeled here as discussion is labeled conclusion and vice versa. So you just want to be open to, in the journal article, reading about it. But make sure you always look for this limitations section so that you can know what it is that it's not telling you. And sometimes you'll be able to spot limitations that the authors themselves haven't spotted. And maybe in some sense thinking about broadly the idea that they're doing a retrospective study, which is really just a point-in-time cross-sectional analysis, versus a prospective kind of cohort study where they might be able to follow people over time. You know, it might be a limitation just in that type of method. And then make sure you read this conclusion at the end, and usually an article will end with, well, what do they think future research can say? So hopefully this walkthrough helped you think about all these different pieces and how they fit and be able to formulate your discussion post to talk more about what we see in this article.